When people go to holiday, they bring themselves and clothes. For me, I bring my whole house. I have my bed in my Proton Exora, water supply, electricity system, and kitchen equipment. So I just came out from the supermarket and bought a lot of things. I started off with deboning a whole chicken thigh. I thought to have chicken chop tonight. Trimming the sides, scoring the chicken, marinate with some salt, pepper, and dill. I minced some garlic, sliced some mushrooms, and cut some French beans. I started with blanching some French beans in boiling water with salt and oil. Next, heating up a pan and the chicken thigh goes in. Flip it. Wow, golden brown. And the results go. Saute some garlic. Add in some sliced mushrooms and toss a little. Add in the French beans, pepper, and salt. And ta-da! Let's dig in. The French beans and mushrooms too. Pantai Bagan Pinang is a favorite spot for picnics and camping, although the water is not as clean for swimming. Everyone is friendly around here. It is just the right spot for family gathering and family day. This is my simple water system, just a dispenser from the water bag. The sunset is not impressive today as it is cloudy. I have more impressive views a few months ago. So it is raining outside and I'm here at my house, in my car actually. So basically I'm going to run through the electricity system that I'm using. Welcome to my Exora. Second and third row of seats can be folded to a flat surface for storage, enough for one or two to sleep in. I have charged a car battery at home earlier and hooked it to a 1000 watt inverter I bought online. So with the inverter, I can plug in an extension cable which can be used to charge my devices. For lights, I bought this power bank, which is a cheap one, I thought just to try. It comes with the LED lights and a solar panel here, although it doesn't really work. And surprisingly, the battery lasts quite long. So today is a Sunday night and it's a bit quiet here. So you can see my car here with my bed in it. And of course, the little kitchen that you have seen in the afternoon just now. It is quite brightly lit here actually. The spotlights are installed by the local council. So it is a bit safe here to sleep here, to have camping here actually. And in fact, I can do some quiet reading here and that's what I enjoy during the weekend. And this is reading at the open air of Pantai Bagan Pinang. So, good night guys. Good morning guys. This is a pop-up shower tent I set up as my toilet. Cool, right? Having view like this in the morning. Hi, good morning. So I have set up the water to boil. So I peel a potato and shred it. A few horizontal cuts, vertical cuts, and minced garlic. Coffee. I break an egg, salt, pepper, turmeric powder, and mix. Stir-fried mushrooms done. After heating the pan, I put in some shredded potatoes. One hash brown done. Cook and flip. Another done. I spotted the janitor and spoke to her. She said they do cleaning daily here. So after breakfast, it is time to pack and hit the road again. See you next time. If you have questions, please leave some comments.